Hi, it's attorney Nate DeLadurantey here to talk a little bit about breach of peace repossessions. In law, we like using these special words or phrases. And breach of peace has specific meaning in Wisconsin as it relates to the repossession of what we call collateral or chattel. Cars, RVs, campers, boats, UTVs, ATVs, stuff. So let's dive right in. What is a self-help repossession? It's a repossession where there's no court order, right? It's somebody who's saying, hey, I have a loan on a vehicle, I'm a lender, behind on payments, and they go out to get the stuff. Now, there's a variety of laws that can govern these transactions, but I'll talk about two issues as it relates to vehicles in Wisconsin. And these two different bodies of law, one called the Wisconsin Consumer Act, the other called the Uniform Commercial Code. And it depends on some of the terms of the loan, on what rights and remedies you might be entitled to. And some of those statutes have different issues that come up on what we call the pre-repossession notices. Too much to get into on a video, but suffice it to say, if you're worried, there'll be instructions at the end of the video about how to set up a call with me so we can dive into your specific situation. Just a reminder, repossessions can be non-vehicles, campers, RVs, boats, UTVs, furniture, TVs, you name it. And these self-help repossessions also involve a repo man. Now, this could be a third party, this could be an employee. Don't let those things worry you because we can talk about them and how it might play out into who we're suing and what for. Now, what is a breach of peace? It is simply an objection to the repossession. It could be a simple no, don't take my car. I've seen ones involving threats of violence, force, screaming, yelling, physical altercations. Suffice it to say, a verbal objection is sufficient. So if you're going to object to a repossession, do it nicely. No need to scream or get crazy. Just say no. Now, use of force involving the police, going into a locked garage or other restricted area. Now, I'll talk about that in a minute, but we're talking about garages, locked areas. They can't do that. The car is merely sitting on something that you deem private property, like your driveway. They're actually allowed to go there. Now, there's a lot of issues that could be a breach of peace. I can't possibly cover each and every single one of those. So if you're worried, you know what to do. Schedule a time for us to talk. Now, people often ask me about suing over a breach of peace. There are a host of laws, as you're seeing on the screen, that can come into play for relief and remedies. We'll talk about those during your specific consultation on which ones apply, which ones might make sense, and how to put that together. So if you think you might have a case or you have questions about this area of law, feel free to schedule an appointment with me. You can do that on our website. It's in the upper right-hand corner, or you can email or call my paralegal, Ethan Webb, and he'll find a time for us to talk. Thanks for watching.